Top car gadgets on Amazon. If you're looking to add a few useful upgrades to your car, investing in a few innovative and cool car gadgets can level up your driving experience. Amazon has a ton of hidden gems that will give your car the upgrade it needs, and we rounded up the best ones. Whether you're a daily commuter or need to spruce it up for a long road trip, these gadgets are so helpful. Stylish Stinger Car Emergency Tool. Be ready for anything when you have the Stinger USB Emergency Escape Tool. Functioning day-to-day as a USB port for your vehicle, this device can save your life in an emergency. But don't let its modest functionality fool you. The Stinger actually features a spring-loaded glass breaker. With this, you're able to crack through windows in your vehicle. It's the ultimate tool to have by your side if you're trapped after an accident. Charge a variety of devices including smartphones and tablets. It protects against short-circuiting, overheating, overcurrents, and overcharging. Navi Portable Head-Up Display. Keep your eyes on the road while navigating with the Navi Portable Head-Up Display. Navi links with Google Maps for real-time updates and navigation. Offering turn-by-turn directions, this device projects the details of your journey at eye level. This allows you to watch the road without distractions yet also receive all the necessary information. These details include speed limit, compass, MPG, fuel range, RPM, and much more. In addition to navigation, the Navi system links to your smartphone for all other notifications. Orbit Keys Bluetooth Tracker. Always know where your keys are with the Orbit Bluetooth Key Tracker. Made from anodized aluminum, Orbit makes it easy to find your keys as well as your phone. Just attach the device to your keys to locate them whenever you need to by making the Orbit ring via the app to find them in a matter of seconds. You can also use your Orbit keys to make your phone ring, even if it's on silent mode. Additionally, if your keys disconnect from the device, you can see their last known location on a map. With a Bluetooth range of 30 meters, you can also use Orbit as a remote to take selfies or group shots. Orbit comes with a replaceable battery, so you can simply swap it out when you need to. The Orbit app will send you a notification that your battery is running low, and using the additional included battery, just twist and open to replace the battery. SnowShark Snow Removal Tool. Clear the snow off your vehicle with ease with this SnowShark Snow Removal Tool. This effective snow remover is complete with a broad edge to efficiently and quickly remove even large amounts of snow. Unlike shovels, the SnowShark won't scratch or damage your vehicle. Instead, the SnowShark has a foam sleeve to use on everything from your windows to the hood of your car. On the other side of the tool is an ice scraper, and with a simple flip, you can remove even the most stubborn ice patches. Allows you to move more snow faster, included with every unit. Keep your car clean outside and inside. Entry Safety Triangle Multifunctional Emergency Triangles Lights. When driving with a breakdown and stopping is a risk, warning lights should be placed behind the vehicle to alert the vehicle to avoid the risk. Emergency Triangles lights have 5 lighting modes: Uniform Burst Flash. To remind the vehicle failure, please detour. Indirect Burst Flash. Remind the vehicle urgently seeking help. Spotlight Wide Light. Can do range lighting, suitable for night repair, camping, etc. Spotlight for light. Can do long distance lighting, similar to the function of a flashlight. Safety triangles have 2 charging modes: solar charging and USB charging. Polysilicon solar charging can be recycled and can be used as a rechargeable battery when there is no power outdoors. This warning triangle is made of strong materials, shock-resistant, and fall-proof. CarLinkit 3.0 Wireless CarPlay Adapter USB for factory-wired CarPlay cars. This CarLinkit 3.0 product makes wireless CarPlay easy. Super convenient to convert wired CarPlay to wireless CarPlay. Connects seamlessly to your iPhone every time you get in the car, so much easier than having to plug the phone in. Supported vehicles and phones. The car has built-in factory CarPlay and compatible with iPhone 5 to 13 Pro Max. That just means that it doesn't work with units that don't already have wired CarPlay. This also works with most aftermarket Kenwood, Alpine, and Pioneer decks as well. Enjoy automatic and wireless connection to CarPlay without the need for a USB cable. Check out this easy way to retrofit your existing CarPlay system to make it wireless. Wireless CarPlay makes it easy to play music, get navigation, or use Siri wire-free. The CarLinkit brand is noted for being the most widely used car radio adapter brand, and it's very compatible with most vehicles. Unbreakable Bluetooth 5.0 FM transmitter for car. The wireless Bluetooth car adapters can fast charge 2 devices simultaneously via PD20W and KC 3.0 port. 4x faster than standard chargers. In addition, it also features a USB charging port 5V/1A, as a USB flash drive port to play music, FM transmitter with built-in overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, overcharge protection, overload protection, overheat protection, and short-circuit protection. Ensures safe charging of the radio adapter charger. Built-in Bluetooth 5.0 chip provides a more stable connection for streaming music over FM frequency and making hands-free calls, allowing for faster pairing with compatible devices. Built-in microphone, supporting smart voice navigation from your phone, streaming the audio from navigation app /Siri/Google Assistant to your car. Easy to answer or end a call with one key. No need to pick up and hold your phone. Garmin BabyCam wireless backseat camera. Keep an eye on your little one while paying attention to the road with the Garmin BabyCam wireless backseat camera. Securely attached to the back of the headrest, this camera can be perfectly angled to record your baby. The BabyCam provides a live feed right to your Garmin navigation device already attached to your windshield or dashboard, which serves as the monitor screen. Because it can be easily placed at a safe height, you won't need to turn around to check on your little one. Working even in low light conditions, the BabyCam allows you to still hear your navigation direction while viewing your baby. BackTrack C8 Personal Professional Grade Breathalyzer. Make smarter decisions while drinking with the BackTrack C8 Personal Professional Grade Breathalyzer. Backed by Bluefire sensor technology, this compact device accurately estimates your alcohol level. Offering one-button operation, the C8 delivers reliable and precise results that you can rely on each and every time. Similarly, the Personal Professional Grade Breathalyzer estimates your alcohol level in a matter of seconds. Utilizing zero-line technology, it also estimates the time until your blood alcohol concentration will return to zero. Designed and engineered at their headquarters in San Francisco, Cab. BackTrack breathalyzers are now sold in over 20,000 stores and 25 countries worldwide. Wixter Universal Air Vent Magnetic Phone Mount for Car. Nothing feels easier than hopping into your car and sticking your phone onto a phone holder that magically keeps everything in place. Pros like this pick for its strong magnetic hold that keeps your phone attached to the magnetic holder even on bumpy roads. All you have to do to set it up is pop the phone holder into your car's air vent and stick a metal plate between your smartphone and your phone case. You can even rotate your smartphone as you drive for the best viewing angle. The reinforced magnetic phone car holder of this mount is what sets it apart from other mounts. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.